Have you ever felt stuck in your microgreen business? Like you're working hard just not to see the results that you hoped for? We've all been there. You're not alone. Today I want to share with you an inspiring story of one of our growers who went from struggling to thriving and found that when they found their perfect niche. And the best part is, you can do it too. So I'd like to tell you about one of our coaching students. For privacy purposes, we're going to call her Sarah. When Sarah first joined our coaching program, she had all the enthusiasm in the world, but no clear direction. She was trying to sell to anyone and everyone who would be interested. Farmers markets, grocery stores, even a few restaurants. But no matter how hard she worked, she just couldn't seem to get her sales down. Sound familiar to you? Sarah was spread too thin and her efforts weren't targeted. She felt like she was spinning in her wheels, working hard and not smarter. That's when she joined our coaching program and started to really understand how she could thrive in her business and make it successful. In this program, we dive deep into market research, exploring different customer segments, uncovering her unique strengths. Sarah realized that restaurants were the perfect niche for her, specifically high-end restaurants looking for vibrant, colorful microgreens, garnishes, and that's where she focused. With the newfound clarity, she just adjusted her product offering, refined her brand, and focused all her efforts on building relationships with the local chefs. The results? Incredible. Within just a few short months, Sarah's microgreens were featured on menus of nearly a dozen restaurants in her area. Great job, Sarah. It's amazing what you can do when you focus. Sarah's sales skyrocketed, and for the first time, she felt in control of her business. No more guesswork, no more stress, just clear direction and steady growth. So here's the thing. Sarah's success isn't just a fluke. It's a result of her identifying her niche and focusing on what she does best. And you can do it too. Imagine having a business where you know exactly who you're going to serve and how to meet their needs. How could that change things for you? If you're ready to find out how your niche can take your microgreen business to the next level, join me for our upcoming workshop where we'll walk you through exactly the steps that help Sarah and so many others achieve their advance and their goals. Whether you're new to the community or you're part of our coaching program already, this workshop is designed to set you up for success. Save your seat today. Click the link below. Get yourself in. They are limited spots. It could be a game changer that you've been looking for. And hey, drop the word niche in the comments if you're ready to discover what your niche is going to be, and let's grow together. And don't forget to save your seat for that workshop. The link is in the description, in the comments. I hope to see you there.